Public sector bank employees across the country, including Odisha, observed a nationwide strike Tuesday following a call given by the United Forum of Bank Unions pressing for the implementation of a 5-day work week and the resolution of other long pending issues. Several public sector banks across Odisha witnessed partial to near total suspension of services as employees stayed away from work in support of the strike. Speaking on the issue, Amitabh Dash, General Secretary of the SBI Officers Association and State Secretary of the Indian Association of Bank Officers Confederation, said the strike was called to highlight unresolved demands of bank employees, with the 5-day work week being a major issue.
The only reason that is 5 days banking, you need very well, it is a demand, not that today we are demanding. Since it is a 10 years, 11 years, we are demanding the same. And the government has agreed and they have given the second and fourth Saturday. And with a assurance that we will discuss it later according to first and third Saturday. But they didn't turn up, and the last bipartisan settlement is joint note, and government has given their consent that we will come and discuss. There are some amicable discussions, and we are agreed. After that, government didn't listen to all these things, and whatever we'll want to meet or want to discuss, government just giving a different reason and showing their helplessness that they are not coming to the discussion. That's why we compel to call the strike on the 19th, the January, 18th January. We have sent a strike notice to the CLC, Chief Labour Commissioners. For this 27th, we are going on strike.
He pointed out the problems faced by the bank employees and said that the bank employees had played a crucial role during the COVID-19 pandemic by continuing operations and extending financial support, particularly loans to MSMEs even during lockdowns.
Bankers are now under pressure because we are under that staff shortage. We are running acute staff shortage and several workplaces, several different things are there. Many things are, and at present there are so many risks. You might have known that even bankers, we are doing banking also social obligations. What's that social obligations? You have demonetization period. You might have heard, and COVID period. Bankers are well COVID warriors like police and doctors. Bankers also they are giving the same. We always in the with the stood with the nation. That is our top purpose. We always tell the government that the bankers are always there. Even though the Prime Minister acknowledged the same, that bankers are really the friend and for the nation. And whatever that you might have heard that in COVID period, in MSME sector is very much weak on that point of time. But we the bankers, we have provided the loans to the MSME sector, and then country again grown up because of bankers' contributions. So we are the same. We are always the same path. We are the nation's support. We support the nation always. But our demand is only 5 days banking, only with an intention that people should rejuvenate themselves. People should get a healthy they should feel that that pressure. If you give a pressure to one person all the times, all the days, it may not be good for the customer also. Customer service may hamper. So we need that. People have to take rest again, come up with a rejuvenate themselves with a better customer service and better banking atmosphere.
Responding to concerns over public inconvenience caused by the strike, Das said that bank unions were aware of the difficulties faced by customers but noted that the agitation had become necessary due to prolonged neglect of employees' demands.
Slightly, it's not they are facing totally because there are a lot of facilities from the that is, as I have told, that ATM facility there, digital mode is there, and internet banking facility there. They are doing the RTGS system in their same year, and so many wings are there, and point of sale is there. So people are not here. Only thing is that as today only they will face, if they want to withdraw cash across the counter, they will face certain problem. But we are with the customers. We never want the customers should feel any embarrassed for the thing. It is only for the customer service, and the better working atmosphere, better banking actually will come later on.
He also said the strike was aimed at drawing the government's attention to the long pending concerns of bank employees and urging dialogue for early resolution.
We always support the government. We always support the government schemes, and we are the warriors when the government need. We always rise to the occasion. We always give our best to the government of India. So we also accept that government should think about the bankers also. Bankers should they should fulfill our demand. That is 5 days banking only.
From Bhubaneswar, Rajesh Tripathi report, Orissapost Live.